Welcome back, boys and girls. For today's lesson, we're going to compare lengths. Remember, we've learned about a lot of different lengths. We've learned about centimeters and meters, and we've learned about inches. So today we're going to compare different lengths. And our learning target for today is, I can tell how much longer one object is than another. Again, I can tell how much longer one object is than another. All right, boys and girls, let's look at these two paths. And this is asking you, which of these two paths are longer? Which path is longer? So I want you to think about how both paths of when you estimate and measure. All right? So we're looking at this purple path. What you're going to do now is we're going to take a ruler and we're going to measure this part first, the top part. So let's say this is about maybe 3 centimeters, this top part. Now we're going to measure this bottom part, and let's say it's also about 3 centimeters, because if you look, they're practically like the same length. So if this is 3 centimeters, and this bottom is 3 centimeters, then we're going to take those two numbers and we're going to add them together. So boys and girls, 3 plus 3. We know that 3 plus 3 equals 6, which is a doubles. So first we measure the first part, then we measure the second part, and then we put those two parts together, which we're going to add. So it will be 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this first path is 6 centimeters long. So you can make a note of that in your notebook. Now, let's look at the second path. Let's try to say that this top part maybe is about, maybe it's about 4 centimeters long. And this bottom part is maybe about 2 centimeters long. So this from here to here is about 4 centimeters long, and from here to here is about 2 centimeters long. So our equation would be 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So which path is longer? None is longer, because this is 6 centimeters long and this one is 6 centimeters long. So they're both the same length. All right, boys and girls? So let's try another example. Now, let's look at these two paths. Now, again, you're going to take a ruler, and we're going to take a ruler, and we're going to first look at this first path, which is the purple path. And we're going to take and we're going to measure this first part from here to here, from here to here. And let's say that this is maybe about 6 centimeters long. 6 centimeters long. Now let's do the second part, the second line. From here to there, it's maybe about 4 centimeters long. And our equation for this is 6 plus 4. Again, 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. If we can't do this mentally, we can draw tally marks and add. So we know 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 centimeters. So this first path is 10 centimeters. And girls, so let's continue. So we said that this first path is about 10 centimeters long, because when we measured this first line, it was about 6 centimeters. And this line is about 4 centimeters, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now, let's look at the second path. This first line from here to here is about, let's say it's about 4 centimeters long. And this bottom line from here to here is about 2 centimeters long. So again, this is from here to here, it's about 4 centimeters, And from here to here is about 2 centimeters. Now, 4 plus 2 is 6 centimeters long. So this first path is 10 centimeters long, and this second path is 6 centimeters long. So if we know which path is longer, meaning which number is bigger, let's think about that, and then we're going to go over. All right, boys and girls, if you said that path 1, which is the purple path, is longer, you're correct. Great job, because path 1 is 10 centimeters long, as opposed to path 2, which is 6 centimeters long. Okay, so let's just go over review of what we're going to do, what we did today, just so you can get an idea of what you're going to do for your task card. So again, you can estimate, you're going to look and you're going to first, if you're going to see which path is longer, first you're going to measure from here to here, and then from here to here, and you're going to put it together. So say, for example, if this from here to here is about 2, and then from here to here is another 2 centimeters, that means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now the red path is from here, if from here to here is about 1 centimeters, and from here to here is about 4 centimeters, then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So which path is longer? Is it the blue path or the red path? And we know that 5 is bigger than 4. That means the red path is longer. So when you're going to do your task card, now just have your ruler out, and you're going to be measuring different paths, and you're going to be comparing which path or which object is longer. All right, boys and girls, and remember, you're going to Google Forms to complete your task, and we will reconvene at another time. Thank you.